I make $7,700 in passive income every month from just 3 rental properties. Today, I'll show you exactly how to buy your first property, even if you're starting with almost nothing. In this video, I'll reveal the exact steps I use to build a real estate portfolio that generates passive income every month. You'll learn how to find properties that actually make money, not lose it. The secret formula banks won't tell you about qualifying for loans, and I'll show you how to avoid the biggest mistakes first-time investors make. But first, let me share something fascinating about why 90% of millionaires built their wealth through real estate. Want to know why most people fail at real estate investing before they even start? They skip these 3 critical steps that banks look for. Most investors focus on finding properties first, but what you do before you start looking is actually more important than the property itself. Let me tell you about Michael, one of my clients who thought he was ready to buy his first rental property. He had the down payment saved up, but got rejected by 3 different banks. Why? Because he missed what I call the foundation framework. The first pillar is your credit score. Most people don't realize that you need at least a 700 score to get the best rates. But here's the secret. You don't need years to build this up. I'll show you exactly how Michael went from 650 to 780 in just 9 months using what I call the credit ladder strategy. The second pillar is income stability. Banks typically want to see 2 years of consistent income, but there's a workaround I discovered that can cut this time in half. I'll share how we use this exact method to help Michael qualify for his first property. Using these foundational elements, Michael not only got approved, but secured a rate that saved him $300 monthly on his mortgage payments. Within 6 months of implementing this strategy, he was able to buy his second property using the same exact system. The best part? He's now teaching the same approach to his brother, who just got approved for his first rental property last week. Here's something shocking. 76% of rental properties actually lose money every month. Most experienced investors won't tell you this, but finding a profitable property is more about math than intuition. And the real estate gurus selling courses don't want you to know that most of their successful properties are actually losing money every month. Last year, I bought 2 townhomes right next to each other. Not because they were convenient, but because they passed what I call the cash flow calculator. Let me break this down with real numbers. Here's what most gurus won't tell you. Location isn't just about picking a nice neighborhood. It's about understanding the rental demand. For example, my properties cost $150,000 each. Most investors would run away because they seem too cheap. But here's the magic. They rent for $2,000 monthly in an area where mortgages run around $1,100. I've developed a simple 3-step validation process. First, check comparable rentals within a 1-mile radius. Second, calculate all expenses, not just the mortgage. Finally, ensure your cash flow is at least $200 monthly after everything. If it doesn't meet these criteria, walk away, no matter how good the deal seems. Using this formula, I've identified profitable properties in markets everyone else thought were dead. The system works so well that my real estate agent now uses it for her own investments. And here's what's really exciting. The less competitive an area is, the better this formula works. Forget everything you've heard about needing 20% down. Here's how I bought my first property with just 3.5% down, and how you can too. What's even more surprising is that the less money you put down, the better your returns can be, if you know how to structure the deal properly. Most people think real estate investing is just for the wealthy. Let me shatter that myth. Remember those townhomes I mentioned? I didn't have hundreds of thousands saved up. Instead, I used what I call the Smart Start strategy. Here's what nobody tells you about bank loans. There are over 2,000 down payment assistance programs in the US alone. I've personally used 3 of them. The key is knowing how to present yourself to the bank. For example, a first-time homebuyer loan combined with an FHA loan can get you started with minimal money down. But here's the real secret. It's not about getting the lowest down payment. It's about optimizing your monthly cash flow. I'll show you exactly how to calculate this using my 4 quarters method. Using these strategies, I've helped dozens of beginners buy their first rental property with less than $15,000 out of pocket while still maintaining positive monthly cash flow. What's even more impressive is that 80% of these investors were able to buy their second property within 18 months using the same method. The real power comes when you understand that starting with less money down actually accelerates your ability to buy multiple properties. Want to know why most landlords lose money? They're missing these 3 critical management systems that turn properties into passive income machines. I learned this the hard way after losing $3,000 in my first month as a landlord. But that expensive lesson led me to develop a system that now runs on autopilot. Let me tell you about the biggest mistake I made as a new landlord. I bought a great property, found good tenants, but still ended up stressed and losing money. Why? Because I didn't have the right management systems in place. I developed what I call the Hands-Off Landlord System. First, you need proper tenant screening. I'll show you the exact questions to ask and red flags to watch for. Second, you need automated payment systems. Finally, you need a reliable contractor network for repairs. This management system has transformed my rental properties from time-consuming headaches into truly passive income generators. The average property owner spends 15 hours per month managing their rentals. But with this system, I spend less than 2 hours per month on all 3 properties combined. What's really exciting is that this same system works whether you have 1 property or 20. It's completely scalable. Remember how we started talking about making $7,700 monthly in passive income? Here's the truth. It's not about buying as many properties as possible, but about buying the right properties and managing them correctly. What's fascinating is that in my 12 years of real estate investing, I've noticed that investors who focus on quality over quantity consistently outperform those who just buy everything they can. Every system I've shared today is part of what I call the passive income pipeline, a method that turns average properties into wealth-building machines. The best part is that this system actually becomes more powerful with each property you add, creating what I call the portfolio multiplier effect. And once you understand these core principles, you can replicate this success in any market, whether it's going up, down, or sideways. After helping hundreds of beginners buy their first rental property, I've learned that success in real estate isn't about having lots of money to start. It's about having the right system. Hit subscribe because next week, I'm sharing my complete tenant screening process and the exact lease template I use for all my properties. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself.